Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with a prepared dataset and edit rights. This is essential. Open the Power BI Service workspace and find the report or dashboard you'll work with. Once located, decide whether to pin visuals to a new dashboard or save the report itself. Pinning is fastest for mixed visuals. Make sure any filters and slicers reflect the view you want to preserve. Now proceed to the report view. Pin the visuals or choose File, save a copy to capture the current state. Once you're in Report View, pin each visual by selecting the visual and choosing Pin Visual. Pick an existing dashboard or create a new one. If you prefer saving the report, use File Save or save a copy and give it a clear name with a version or date for tracking. After pinning, go to the dashboard to arrange tiles, resize, rename, and set links or alerts so users get updates. Make sure to refresh the dataset if data must be current before final save. Finish by verifying the dataset refresh schedule and credentials so the saved dashboard stays current. Go to Dataset Settings and configure the gateway if needed. Next, set dashboard permissions, share with users, grant build if they need to create reports, and control resharing. Once done, test shared access from another account or incognito window. If saving or viewing fails, check dataset permissions, gateway status, and clear browser cache. Those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.